In this video I explain a bit about our one-post lifts. We have two models in this case, the TW125M and the TW125F, which means one-post lift, 2.5 tons. The M, like this one, stands for mobile, the F for fixed. As you can see here, we have a pallet truck built into the lift, which means I come here. I can pump up the lifts a little bit, and now I could move the lift as I pleased.
Nach Lust und Laune verschieben.
Both lifts are equipped with a manual safety release, which means that to lower the lift, I have to pull this lever here. And then I can lower the lift here with this hydraulic opener. Both lifts are equipped with a 230 volt motor and a maximum lifting capacity of 2.5 tons. The lift itself is ideal for cars up to the size of approximately a Porsche Cayenne. The arms of the one-post lift can be unlocked here and moved like this, which means I can release the lock here and then, logically, I can adjust here. Here I can extend the arms so that I can reach the lifting points of longer vehicles as well. Of course, I can also adjust the lifting pad up and down, as you may know it from a normal lift. Of course, the free accessibility of the lift also gives me great advantages compared to other lifts, because I always have a free side where I can work here. The lift is obviously great for vehicle preparation or bodywork. The lift has many advantages. For example, in reduced spaces because it has only one post, and therefore, it also offers great accessibility. Which means, if I have little space, whether in my private garage or also in my workshop, I can use the lift perfectly in the entrance area, for example. Because the mobile lift, like the one we have here, doesn't have any big foundation requirements, I can use it on almost any type of solid surface. That means both asphalt and concrete, or for example also the very common bricks which can be found by the entrance at home, by the courtyard entrance. Which unfortunately is not the case for the 125F, because it is a fixed model and it must be fixed to the floor with the heavy-duty anchor bolts that we provide. A specific foundation is also obviously required. You can find all of this in our foundation plan, which you can read on our website. You'll find plans for many lifts there. In them you'll find exactly how a lift must be anchored to the ground. I hope I could help you a bit further with this video. You now have the option of choosing a suitable lift below. If you have already decided on a specific model, among other things, you'll find individual product videos and assembly videos for each lift. If you still have any questions or doubts, then you can always give us a call. Either I or one of my colleagues will help you further with any specific questions. Otherwise, thanks for watching.